Are you still sending bulk WhatsApp messages to your customers or leads manually one by one? Then this tutorial is definitely for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can send bulk wishes with offers to all your customers with a personalized WhatsApp message like this with the help of WhatsApp broadcasting. Yes, here I've set up a WhatsApp broadcast using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. So now here I have my customer details in my Google Sheets to whom I want to send this bulk wishes. And here in order to send the WhatsApp messages to all these contacts in once, we are going to set up a WhatsApp broadcast. And here to set up the one, you need to access this software by searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently it is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost-effective price. So go and get yours now. And for your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Alright, so now you have to signing in. You can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So here to connect yours, click on this add button and you can see two methods. So now here if you wish to learn about any of the method in detail, then you can watch out the video links available in the description box below for the same. And now let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the video links available on our YouTube channel and in the description box as well. So here as you know that I'm going to set the WhatsApp broadcast message to all my customers. But here before setting up the broadcast, let me tell you that I'm going to use a template message to send this automated WhatsApp messages. So for that I've already created a template inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. But if you don't want to send a template message, then you can send the regular type of message as well. But to learn about that feature, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. For now, we're going to access this template section. Now under this template section, you can see the number of approved, number of pending, draft and rejected templates. So here I already have a template with the name wishes that I have created. So this is the template message that I'm going to use today. And here you can see the status of this template is approved. That means once the status is approved by Meta, then you can use this template to send the automated WhatsApp messages to your leads or customers. So now here to create a new template, you can click on this add button and you're going to receive two methods. If you want to generate the template with the help of an AI, then select this, or else select add template, and it will direct you to a new template window. Here you need to add some details and click on the submit button to create a new template. To learn about the process in the detail, you can click on this learn more hyperlink available over here. Alright, so as you know that I already have a template, so we're going to access this broadcast section, and here in the broadcast section we are going to click on this add broadcast, and here it has directed us to the WhatsApp broadcast. From here we're going to select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign for the first, and for the broadcast name we are going to give the name as bulk wishes. And for the contact list, here I need to select the contact list to whom I want to send this message. So as you already know that I have my customer details in my Google Sheets to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. But now here to send the WhatsApp message, I need to add these contacts in my Pabbly Chatflow account first. And for that we're going to access this contact sections available over here. Now under this contact section, you can see the number of contact lists that I already have over here, and to create a new one, click on this add contact button, and here you can see two methods. If you want to add the single contact, then select this method and add the details, and to add bulk contact, select this. Now here to add the bulk contact, it is asking for a CSV file, but as you know that I have a data in my Google Sheets. So you need to download this data in a .csv format from this download option. Once you have a CSV file, then automatically upload download the file over here, and the new contacts will be created as soon as you're going to click on this add contact button. Once the contacts are created, you can create a separate contact list for the same. For now, I'm going to use an existing list that I already have with the name new list. So we're going to select the list from the drop down. Here you can select multiple lists as well. For now, I'm going to select the single only. Then comes the message type. So as I've already mentioned that I'm going to use a pre-approved template message, but if you want to send a regular type of message, then select this option, and here you can select the message type. If you're going to enter the message over here, then here on the right side you can have a preview of the message that you are going to send. Alright, for now we're going to select pre-approved template message, and this is the template that I have created. So here I've used a variable in the place of this name because I wanted to send personalized WhatsApp messages to all my customers. So variables makes the text dynamic, and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So here to make this field permanently dynamic, what we are going to do is that we are going to access contact custom fields from the settings section. Here under contact custom fields, you can see 4 permanent fields that are name, mobile number, last name and the first name. You can add more contact custom fields as per your requirement. But as you know that I have used variable in the place of name. So we're going to copy the field name for the same, and we're going to add it over here. Then we're going to click on this done, and you can see our template has been selected. So let's move forward. Then here it is asking me to test my broadcast message before sending it to the wider audience. So here to test this message, we are going to send this message on my WhatsApp number first. So I'm going to add my username, and then here for the phone number I'm going to add my number. Then you're going to click on the send test message, and it says test broadcast sent. Let's go and check our WhatsApp, and you can see this is the WhatsApp message that I have received. So with this we have successfully tested our broadcast message. Now here it is asking me to schedule the broadcast. So here if you want to send the instant WhatsApp messages to all your customers or leads, then select no, or else you can select yes to schedule it for the later. So here you need to select the date and time, and here while selecting the date and time, make sure you are selecting a future date and time. If you're selecting a past date and time, that is going to send instant WhatsApp message to all your leads or customers. Alright, then we're going to click on the start broadcast, and you can see our broadcast is scheduled over here. Once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you can see the data of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. If you have valid contacts in your failed list, then you can resend this message by selecting the resend option available over here. Alright, so with this we have successfully learned how you can send bulk wishes WhatsApp messages to all your customers or leads in one click without any manual effort. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code that is available on your screens. And if you have any doubt, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link, and if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.